Hello everyone, today we have Infinix Hot 9 Play LCD replacement. The customer brought the device and told me the screen is not working perfectly and some area is not also touching. Remove the SIM card tray. After that we are going to detach the frame from the housing. You can use any plastic tools or your fingernails. I don't recommend to use iron tools. Stay with the plastic. We have fingerprint sensor at the back. Be careful, it's my first time opening these devices. It's Infinix company. Alright, first time replacing a screen tray. Push the sensor down, alright, and be careful while you are pushing. Alright, let's now remove the top shield screws. We are going to remove the battery. Alright, be careful to remove all the screws, unplug everything and the sensor flex cable. Be careful not to damage any parts. Also be patient while you are dealing with the devices. Unfortunately, the customer stay at my shop and he was talking to me, so maybe I took a long time to fix this device because I need to be focused with him and I need to be focused with my job. I hate when people stay in my shop. We have one screw under the fingerprint, so this needs some attention, so you have to be focused, not to pull the shielding port too much and with too much pressure and then you end damage some parts. You have to be patient, you have to be in focus. Unfortunately, I'm alone with my shop. We had to be together with me with my brother, but he's in America now, so I have to run the shop myself. Alright, always before you can proceed, you can put the flex cable of the new LCD here. After that you can plug the battery and test the LCD. Sometimes the screen may be damaged or got damaged during the transportation or whatever. We have also another flex cable at the bottom. It's connected to the subboard, so it's not necessary to be connected now. We will connect it later. So the screen is working. We have a picture and also the touch screen or the area is working, and that's what we are matter for. After that we can proceed with the phone. Sometimes we can just remove the old screen. The old screen is working. The device took long time to be finished. Alright, but the touch screen is working. I'm going to unplug the battery. After that I'm going to assemble the device. The flex cable goes under the battery, so we have to remove the battery. You can put some alcohol. This will help you too much to remove the battery without bend the battery or damage anything. Always be careful and have patience. Alright, pull out a little bit. We don't need to bend the battery. Alright, the alcohol is like magic. The battery will be removed soon. Let's unplug the flex cable. Don't forget that we have another flex cable connected to the subboard. So we have to remove the loudspeaker with the screws to access that part and remove and unplug the flex cable. You can heat with the Celsius degree with the 200 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds to remove the glass or the LCD. This device, as the customer mentioned, he have replaced the LCD. This is the fourth time. Alright, so we should be able to remove the screen easily without making any force or any hard work. I'm removing the screen with patience because I want the screen to still be worked, because I needed to make it a test for other phones that may came for something else damaged. Sometimes we store some RCD, so it will be a test for the other devices. We have the flex cable, you can unplug it. Alright, be careful with the antenna. Alright, we were able to remove the old screen. Now, the better you remove the adhesive, the better you assemble the screen to the frame. So you have to make all the border shiny and cleaned 100%. Alright, let's do that. The better you clean, the better the screen will fit. You can see how long time it takes for us to make the frame clean, because the other before me didn't do the job perfectly. I can do that job. Now I'm going to put the screen in to make sure it's fit on position. I'm going to connect the screen, make sure also it's working while it's on the position. After that, we will assume with the full assembly and finish the job. Connect the other flex cable to test the charging port, because all that subboard is connected to the screen. So if there is something is not working with the flex, it will stop the connection between the subboard and to the main board. Our job is not easy and need a patient to work with. Right? Make sure the screen is working and all the area is working. You see, this is the best way to test the screen LCD. Alright, now I'm going to make the full assembly. Unplug the battery, remove the battery, also unplug the screen flex cable, unplug subboard flex cable. Now I'm looking at the screen if the screen is fit perfectly or not. Seems everything is fit perfectly. Alright. Bring the new LCD, remove the sticker, no need this to be staying there. you may have to put double adhesive under this flex cable. Alright, bring the relief CP0002. This is the best one I used. It's a good adhesive and it's a waterproof, as it said. I didn't test it, but it said. Alright, go all over the frame. Don't put too much glue. We don't need much glue. This may go under the LCD and could go near the ear speaker, the camera. No need to put near these parts, the ear speaker, the camera and the sensor. Be careful not to go near these parts. Alright, now we are done. You can put the LCD in position, put in the 2 flex cable. Alright, push the screen in the position and the extra adhesive you can wipe it. Alright, connect the flex cable of the screen. Connect the subboard. Alright. Put the battery in, connect the battery. Make sure the wire antenna is on the position. We don't need to damage when we close the back case. We may damage that antenna. Put the loudspeaker shield, screw it down, put every single screw we remove. Now we go to the top. Let's put the top shield. Alright, put all the screws. Don't forget to put the fingerprint sensor on there and the screw under it. After that we will close the back case. Our job for now has been done. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This will support us. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.